Flexcraft, a leader in innovative lean manufacturing solutions, is celebrating a major milestone this year: 20 years of serving customers, employees, and the community. Founded in 2006 with just a handful of employees and a vision for smarter, more adaptable manufacturing systems, Flexcraft has grown into a trusted name in the industry. Over the past 2 decades, Flexcraft has expanded its product lines, built lasting partnerships, and contributed to the region's economic growth. Throughout its 20 years, Flexcraft has prioritized their team members' innovation and quality, from pioneering modular workstations and developing customized solutions for manufacturers nationwide. Flexcraft has consistently adapted to the changing needs of the industry. Looking ahead, Flexcraft plans to continue its mission of helping businesses improve lean practices, efficiency, and safety throughout flexible, durable products. As Flexcraft enters its 3rd decade, we stand as an example of how resilience, innovation, and customer focus can create lasting success.
I love creating an environment where people are learning, improving, and then actually enjoying the process. It's motivating to see real progress, growth, and goals being crushed. What drives me every day is building a fun, positive culture where we can laugh, grow, and win together.
When one of us thrives, the entire team benefits and is stronger. I focus on people because people don't leave companies, people leave people. One of my core passions I focus on is culture and challenging others to grow. Having a solid team relying on one another is key to building a successful place to work.
I strive to have a strong commitment to integrity, strategic vision, and team empowerment. I believe in fostering collaboration, driving innovation, and building a culture rooted in trust and accountability. People want to work for a good leader because great leadership creates an environment where individuals feel valued, supported, and inspired.
I love it when I see coworkers learn, grow, and develop. I believe that's the best way to measure my success as a leader is when my coworkers achieve milestones and accomplishments, whether that's personal and or professional.
FlexCraft's mission statement. FlexCraft supplies the world with imaginative material handling solutions
which inspire unlimited innovation
made possible by relentless commitment to team members and systems
that foster lifetime collaborative relationships with our customers.